DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Welcome to this in-depth comparison of two powerful AI language models, DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Whether you're a business owner, developer, or AI enthusiast, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of this platform can help you choose between the right tool. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, usability, and much more to determine which AI leads the way. Now let's start with the overview of DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Basically, DeepSeek is a cutting-edge AI model designed for advanced natural language processing tasks. It focuses on delivering precise, context-aware responses, making it popular for research, data analysis, and technical application. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is developed by OpenAI. It is renowned for its versatility in conversational AI, creative writing, coding assistance, and more. It's widely adopted for both personal and professional use. And so, let's navigate through their ease of use. ChatGPT offers an intuitive interface suitable for beginners and advanced users alike. Its conversational style makes it easy to interact with, whether for casual queries or complex tasks. DeepSeek, on the other hand, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve, especially for users unfamiliar with technical AI tools. However, it provides advanced customization options for developers looking to fine-tune outputs. And now let's navigate through the next category, which is performance and accuracy. When it comes to performance, both models excel, but in different areas. ChatGPT shines in natural, human-like conversation, creative content generation, and quick problem solving. It's optimized for coherent and engagement. DeepSeek, on the other hand, focuses on data-driven accuracy. It excels in analytic tasks, complex data interpretation, and technical document summarization. If precision is your priority, DeepSeek might have an edge. And let's go ahead and talk about customization and flexibility. DeepSeek offers advanced customization feature, allowing users to adjust parameters for specific tasks. It's ideal for developers who need tailored AI solution. ChatGPT also provides customization through its API, but its strength lies in the general versatility without extensive configuration. And from there, let's navigate through one of the most crucial parts in my opinion, which is the integration capabilities. Basically, both platforms offer strong integration option. ChatGPT has a robust API, making it easy to integrate into apps, websites, and business workflows. DeepSeek is developer-friendly with extensive API support. It's designed for embedding into complex systems requiring specialized AI capabilities. Now you can go ahead and read the API integration for DeepSeek inside the documentation for the official application. In here, you have the integration where it will open up the GitHub page, and then you can go ahead and study it in order to integrate it into your applications. And now let's navigate through the pricing for both platforms. ChatGPT offers both free and subscription-based plan, with premium tiers providing faster responses and priority access to new feature. So we are inside the official pricing page of ChatGPT. And with the free plan, you will be able to get access to GPT-4o Mini, standard voice mode, limited access to the GPT-4 once more, limited access to file upload, advanced data analysis, web browsing, and image generation. So you can basically generate images inside ChatGPT. It's one of their feature. And you will be able to use custom GPTs. Now, for the Plus plan, it's going to be $20 per month. Now, with this one, you will get everything in free plan, extended limits on messaging, file uploads, advanced data analysis, and image generation, standard and advanced voice mode. By the way, you can go ahead and install ChatGPT and use the voice mode feature, limited access to O1 and O1 Mini, which is the advanced and more premium feature of GPT-4o Mini. You have opportunities to test new feature, and lastly, create and use custom GPTs. And lastly, for the Pro plan, which is $200 per month, You will get everything in the Plus plan, unlimited access to the entire GPT application. You have higher limits for video and screen sharing in voice, access to O1 Pro mode, which uses more compute for the best answers to the hardest questions. You have extended access to Sora video generation, which is another application from OpenAI. And lastly, you have access to operator research preview, which is, as of the moment, US only. And navigating through DeepSeek, basically, their pricing varies based on the usage and customization level. It can be more cost effective for large scale, data extensive applications. So we have the pricing details of DeepSeek right here inside their documentation. And inside we have two categories. We have the US dollar and we have the CNY. From here you have your model, which is the DeepSeek chat, and you have the DeepSeek reasoner. Now for context length, it's going to be 64K for both plans. The max cost tokens is going to be 32K. Max output tokens is this one. And lastly, you have the 1 million token input price and 1M token input price once more for the cash miss. So you can just head over to the API docs.deepseek.com/quickstart/pricing to view the entire pricing plan of DeepSeek right here. And now navigating through security and privacy. Security is crucial when choosing an AI tool. ChatGPT follows a strict data privacy protocol with options for enterprise-grade security. Meanwhile, DeepSeek emphasizes data protection, especially for sensitive technical and research-related tasks, often providing more granular control over data handling. Now, heading over to community and support, ChatGPT benefits from OpenAI large community, extensive documentation, and active forum. There's wealth of tutorial and support available. DeepSeek, while newer, has a growing community of AI researchers and developers with dedicated support channels for technical queries. And so, which AI should you choose? Basically, if you need an AI for general use, creative projects, or conversational application, ChatGPT is your go-to. It's user-friendly, adaptable, and highly efficient for a wide range of tasks. However, if your focus is on technical accuracy, data-heavy projects, or specialized research, DeepSeek might be the better choice due to its precise and customization capabilities. Now, in conclusion, choosing between DeepSeek and ChatGPT depends on your specific needs. Both are powerful in their own right, catering to different audiences and use cases. Hopefully, this comparison has helped you clarify their strengths and application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know which AI you prefer and why. Thanks for watching.